IFTA reporting and excise tax refund audits are complex. With IFTA reporting, you are required to keep track of when your operation takes you across state lines. And if your refuse collection routes take you off federal highways in 15 states, you can file for a fuel use rebate, but you'll need to provide accurate asset location data. With Third-Eye equipped fleets, you're covered with Certif-Eye, the Excise, IFTA Tracking, and Flexible Reporting SaaS module, part of ESG's Connected Collections digital strategy, focused on helping fleet owners make better decisions faster. With Certif-Eye installed, your drivers drive. It's what they do best. Certif-Eye tracks your asset location and fuel use, creating solid documentary evidence that makes fuel use auditing for cross-border customers simple. This information is automatically loaded into reports that satisfy IFTA requirements. For those states allowing for federal excise tax rebates, Certif-Eye tracks your fuel consumption and overlays that with your asset's travel history and location to within 15 feet, providing you with the detailed fuel use per location records your accountant needs to apply for your off-highway excise tax rebate. Your customers are satisfied, your accountant's work is streamlined and easy to audit, and your operation remains compliant. If you're looking to simplify your operation while increasing productivity and profit, point your mouse to www.thirdeyecam.com or have your tax consultants contact your Third-Eye, SoftPak, or Heil sales representative today to get the details on the capabilities of Certif-Eye.